Senate. Those in the Senate, this is referred to as the upper house. And those in the Senate are appointed by the governing party and the opposition party. Okay, guys? Now here, this is the bust of the late Sir Milo Butler. He's the first Governor General in independent Bahamas. Alright guys, now the Bahamas is made up of some 700 islands along with some 2,000 keys. And we are referred to as an archipelago. We are not a one-landmass island where you can drive like over you guys state to state. But you can go to the various islands either through air or boat. So where you guys are traveling from?
Orlando.
Okay.
Originally Pennsylvania and Jersey, but...
Okay, so you guys now reside in Orlando.
Yep, for the last 7 years.
Okay, awesome. Okay guys, well our first stop will be at the Rum Cake Factory, where you can sample some of our delicious original rum cake. They bake them freshly, guys. So it's a nice, wonderful taste of the Bahamas. You also get some small ones, as you will see shortly, as a gift to your family and friends. Alright, guys. This is our world famous Rum Cake Factory, guys.
Oh, there's that Sunjump Gunjo. Is that same dude?
Yeah.
Give me a name again, Scott and
Terry.
Terry, right. Okay. Awesome. Morning, guys. Right to the left. Grind daylight to all. Grind daylight to all. Right this way, guys.